Get back. One day. Get back. Hey, high five. Yes. There we go. Get back. Get back. Vision. There we go. Get back. Get back. Good boy. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog channel. And today I'm thinking making tofu donut. My wife likes a lot, so I'll try to finish it before she gets up. Alright, let's get started. Tofu and pancake mix. If you have rice flour, that would be even better. Yeah. Oh, maybe you can watch me cook here. That's right. Yes, please. Thanks. Wait. It's done. Donuts. We're gonna chop chocolates. Ta-da! Olive oil and rice oil. Hey Rachel,
Yeah.
it's done. You wanna try some?
Yes.
It's pretty good.
It's delicious.
Yay.
The nuts were a good idea.
Hmm?
I had my doubts, but they work really well.
No, I was gonna chop this almonds into tiny pieces and then sprinkle later, but I just found the chocolate that has nuts in it already. Yeah.
Dude, thank you. It's so good.
I think I want some coffee. You want some coffee?
Yes. Oh my god.
Alright.
This is the best breakfast ever.
Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I'm really excited to cook in this new kitchen. I can't wait to make more videos. And sorry for making you guys wait for so long, but I'm pretty excited. See you guys later. Bye.